You're feeling sweet like the calypso. You're feeling sweet like the calypso. Watch me now.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sapphire. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to show you guys the different styles that I will wear with my knotless braids, and this is how they look. Let me show you guys. So they're pretty much waist length or kind of like butt length, and they're ombre at the bottom, and then at the back they have a little blonde. So yes, you guys, I don't want to make this intro too long. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys between 10 to 15 ways of how to style knotless braids. If you guys have them, y'all can definitely take these pointers and wear these styles out. They're very, very cute. So yes, I'm going to show you guys that. So if you guys want to watch this video, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check the links down in the description box down below. I always mess up that part, but yes, check out the links to see the hair that I use and the oil products that I use, as well as the edge control that I use. I will not be using any of those products in the video, but it will be linked down below so you guys can know what I use for my braids. So yes, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the different hairstyles. I hope you guys took some of the little tips of my hairstyles that I gave you guys and you apply them and y'all slay for the fall. Okay, so yes, I hope, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also keep your post notifications on so you guys can be notified when I upload another video. So yes, you guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.